Hey guys! Welcome back to the ExamRevision YouTube channel. My name is Ellen and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to build the perfect study timetable for back to school, leaving cert, junior cert, all of the above. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is setting realistic standards. There's no point in starting off the year, even if it's 5th, 6th year, even as far as junior cert, to say, oh, I'm going to get straight H1s, I'm going to get 65, that's what I want to get. If you don't think that's realistic for you, and even if you're in 6th year, let's say, and you've been doing 5th year so far and doing your choice subjects and you haven't really been hitting, you know, maybe you're quite low down on some grades for certain subjects, there's no point in saying, I want to get 65. I do encourage you to really go out there and try your hardest, but you do need to be realistic because you don't want to let yourself down. Be realistic with what you think you might get, and if you work really hard in what you might get. So saying you're going to get H1s and everything, for a lot of people is unrealistic. Think about what you want to strive for, whether that be 600 points, 500 points, 400 points, whatever. And think about what grades you're going to be getting in certain subjects. For me personally, I was never really great at English. I was never going to be like, oh, I'm going to get a H1 in English. No matter how hard I tried extremely hard, it just wasn't really going to happen for me. So I was realistic. I counted up roughly how many points I think I would get if I did try really hard and in the subjects that I'm really good at. Also be realistic when making the timetable, because there's no point saying I'm going to come home from school and study straight for 6 hours, because that's not going to happen and you need time to rest, and it might work for a week but then you'll just burn out. Sit down and think, if you work really hard in a subject, also a subject that you might like, you're already kind of good at or really good at, and think, oh well, if I push myself and study hard, what grades will I get in these subjects? And then work your goals and your study timetable around those. As I was saying earlier, make sure to create a balanced schedule. If you know you're gonna have Christmas exams or summer exams or whatever, plan for that in advance so you're not cramming anything the night before. Design a timetable that allows for rest, like dinner time. If you have activities like sports, allow for all of that time and like time to just chillax at the end of the day. Don't be like, I'm gonna wake up at 5 AM and study for 2 hours before school, because you need to sleep. And honestly, you're probably gonna set an alarm and never wake up. So give yourself designated time every day for whether that be dinner or relaxing and just doing nothing for the evening. Because giving yourself free time is really going to help you actually stick to the study plan and not get overwhelmed. Along with the first point, assess your subjects and your strength in every subject. Go through your subjects. I know you might have favorites that you're going to want to study all the time, but if you really enjoy those subjects, you probably are doing pretty well in them. So definitely designate time in your study timetable for the subjects that maybe you're not doing as well in or you want to do better in. Even if it's 30, 40 minutes, once a day, every 2 days, if you're doing it consistently, it will really help. And also if you don't particularly like that subject, doing 30 minutes every 2 days is not going to kill you. If you're struggling with a subject, for me like English, and you really want to improve but not sure how, definitely check out the ExamRevision courses and packages. There is video lessons, presentations, quizzes, exam questions on majority of the Leaving Cert and Junior Cert subjects. And factoring time into your timetable to do these courses and try and help you improve in that subject will really do you good. Honestly though, create a timetable that works for you. I know there is a bunch of them online and it might be every hour of the day, and if that works for you, that's great, but you're really just gonna have to make a timetable that suits you. Everyone's different. People have different amount of time every day after school or before school. People do extracurriculars and sport. Some people work well in the morning, some people work well in the evenings. Take all of these things into account and build a study timetable that suits you best. I really hope this video helps you guys out in creating a study timetable for the Leaving Cert or the Junior Cert, anything in between. Be sure to check out ExamRevision courses. They are amazing and will really help you succeed in the subjects that you need a little bit of help in. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching, and I will talk to you all very soon.